at my new bag. Look at my new bag. Hey, look at my new bag. Hey. You know, it's giving. Oh my goodness, y'all. What's good, y'all? It's your girl Wavy here, and I'm back with another unboxing video. Y'all already know what this big box means, okay? Like, I most definitely got a Telfar. Okay, this is my first Telfar, okay? And it came, you know, with this little letter here. And basically, it's just showing off the collection, y'all. Like, Telfar just made a collection with UGG, and you know, just showing off what the card looks like. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see that. Can y'all even see that? I don't know. If y'all can, that's cool. If not, I'm really sorry. I really apologize. So I will be keeping this, you know, as a part of my first bag collection, you know, black-owned business collection here, okay? So I don't really know how big the bag size is because I didn't want the small because I didn't think it was gonna be big enough for me. So I think I got the medium or large for this collection. So yeah, it's basically, you know, the UGG collection with Telfar. And yeah, I got this back in November of last year because that's when they released the pre-orders for it, and they just started to actually ship them out around probably like early April-ish, kind of, because I know a lot of people got theirs at a different time. So yeah, I'm just gonna open this if I can find out how to open it. Well, yeah, I'm really excited. I didn't have the chance to get the other bag collections when they had their first initial release, so I figured why not start my collection with the UGG. Like, this collab is so cute. And to be real with y'all, I don't own like any purses, like no collections, no nothing. Like, all I own is basically a backpack, okay? It's basically a Vans backpack, like, you know. And like this, you know, Coach, like, this is my wallet, like, this is the only thing I carry. So having an actual like purse, so to say, is kind of different because, you know, I don't really like carrying big stuff and then having a bunch of stuff in my purse and I don't even know what's in it. So this is definitely an embrace to womanhood, so to say. I mean, it's been a while. Like, I've never owned any type of purse whatsoever besides this one. And also, I did get a chance to go into their bag security clearance, and I did get some bags, okay? So whenever they do ship out, I will be doing an unboxing on those too. Ooh, this is how it came out, straight up a package. Ooh, hold on, y'all. Let me move this bit my way. Y'all, look at the packaging so far. I just took it out the box. Ooh, this looks cute. Okay, I guess this is how you open it. Okay. Ooh, this is nice. Ooh, take out the other paper. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. We got more wrapping to it too, special. Lord have mercy. I don't even know how to take off all this wrapping. All this paper. Oh, yes, y'all. Oh, Lord. Oh, let me just, look at this, y'all. Hold on, let me just, look at this, y'all. Like, look at this. It has, you know, the easy tag, you know, just to show y'all collaboration. You know, look at that. You know, that has some words. You know, just like their collaboration. I think I got the size large. I think this is the large. You know, it says it's real fur from sheep. Okay, and the fur, you know, the fur is from Australia. Okay, with the sheep. Oh. So just look at the detail, y'all. Just look at it. Just look at it, y'all. Like, it's giving like I'm in the snow, real bougie. Like, we're going snowboarding and we're in a cabin. You know, it's giving. Oh my goodness, y'all. And you know, the straps. Can't do no wrong with the straps, y'all. Okay, you know, you gotta take out the extra caddy. Ooh, this is a big bag. Ooh, it's big inside. It's ooh, look. Okay. And you know, it came with its own dust bag, okay, which I will be using to keepsake this, because this is this bag. I feel very bougie and black with this bag, especially since I'm up in the north and it's cold still. It's still snowing in April, y'all. Like yesterday was 28 degrees. I really don't know why, but yes, this is definitely setting the tone on how I feel. There's a little dust cover so far. Yes. I will be doing a close-up view on the bag for y'all, because I know some of y'all probably can't see all the details that I want y'all to see, so hold on a minute. Okay, so you see that's the little dust bag, y'all. Hold on, is this focusing? There we go, it's focusing now. See, yes, the dust bag is everything. Ooh, now let's get straight to this. Look at, ooh, like this is so soft. Like it doesn't feel cheap. It feels very luxurious and, you know, bougie, because, you know, here's the tag that came with it, y'all. Like, yes, I am feeling the black bouginess. I love that this is a black owned company. Like, this is just giving what it's supposed to give. Like, y'all see me? And then there's the little branded stamp, okay. And then, you know, here's the straps. Most likely I'm gonna be using these straps because the handles, yes, it's cute, but if I got a lot of snacks up in here, like, let me show y'all. Like, see, if I got a lot of snacks up in here, because it's a little deep. Yeah, it's a little deep in there. Like, hold on, I can show y'all how deep it is because it can fit my laptop in here. So let me just bring out the straps real quick and I'll show y'all. See, like, I have plenty enough space. Like, it's big enough to put my laptop in here, y'all. Like, don't mind the dirtiness of my laptop. I gotta, you know, wipe it clean. But, ooh, oh, Lord, I done pushed this up on accident. But, yeah, it's very roomy. Like, I put my laptop in here. It has extra, you know, a pocket. You know, got the tilty with the, Hold on, I'm trying to zip it, y'all. Goodness gracious. You see, it's hard doing this with one hand, but yeah, you just put extra, you know, extra more snacks in here. You know, got the little card for the Uggs. But yeah, this is a good, like, movie night bag if you want to pack some extra snacks in here. You know, a good, like, carry-on bag as well, especially for the people that just has college and stuff like that. It's a good way to put your laptop in here. I think I got the large. That's why I bought it, because I could put my laptop in here, y'all. But this is really nice. Like, I'm feeling really bougie over here. Like, seriously, y'all, this bag, like, even I took the straps off, y'all. I mean, I cut the little strap that were attached to it. See, look, this is nice. This is exactly how I'm gonna wear it, just like this with these straps on here. Like, I can put so much snacks in here. Like, come on now. Look. And then when I put up my bag, my laptop, yes. Like, I ain't gotta worry about it moving, falling out. I can just, boom, reattach it. We going. Where we going? I got my Telfar. You know. You can't tell me nothing, y'all. Y'all really cannot tell me nothing. I really like it. It's good quality, especially like it's not animal cruelty or anything. You know, it just came with a little instructions on how to take care of it, like the materials and everything. Like, you know, just basically on how to take care of your bag. Like, I really love this collaboration with UGG. I'm happy with it. You know, like, this is my first bag, baby, y'all. Like, where we going? We're going outside. You know, this is definitely going to be the top winter bag to see this year, especially since, like, the pre-orders were going crazy and everyone was trying to get one, whether it was the small or the large right here. Like, this is just exquisite, okay? Like, I can't wait for winter, even though it's still winter up here where I'm at because it's snowing in April. I don't know why, but yeah, this is very nice. Like, this material is like good quality, no cheap like type of thing. It's very like well thought and well put together, and I'm just appreciative that I was able to, you know, hop on this opportunity to get that pre-order. So yeah, you know, let me take out my laptop before I forget when I put this up and cover it with a disc bag. But yeah, if y'all like this video, especially the unboxing of the Telfar, make sure y'all give it a like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment now. Don't forget to comment because I'll be reading y'all comments and I will try my best to at least reply to every one of y'all because y'all are really the reason why I'm here. Like, Wavy family is like growing super fast. You know, we just passed 500 subscribers, y'all. Like, this is like all because of y'all just being supportive of me, especially like when it comes to what videos to do, what other type of things y'all want to see me do, like what type of music, unboxing, you know. But yeah, I really do appreciate y'all. So put down in the comments below what else y'all want me to like do or try or buy to unbox to show y'all like what my approval is, because this approval just got verified, okay? Like, this has been approved by wavyay that y'all should have just caught one of these. If y'all just like bags and hand purses, y'all want a collector's type, this is the bag for y'all, okay? Like, I'm really glad that I bought the large size instead of the small because that probably would have just fit my phone and a couple of snacks and, you know, some chapstick. But this is the mother load. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe and like and comment, okay? I'll see y'all in the next video, y'all. Look at my new bag. Look at my new bag. Hey, look at my new bag.